Lodi grinding machines. The R82T is a reliable, high-performance grinding system with an independent double head. It comes with the three most popular CNC programs installed, guaranteeing flexibility, reliability, and integration into existing production lines. All of the CNC PLC HMI software is developed in-house to provide the operator with an LGM HMI interface. The grinding machine has a safe ergonomic design. The power of the spindles is controlled constantly to monitor the power required by the process in real time. This means the operator can assign different signal and alarm thresholds to safeguard both the workpiece and the spindles. The work cycles follow the three basic sequential operations: roughing, finishing, and spark out. The operator can vary the speed and feed parameters during the cycle so as to optimize each process. The ultra-efficient tool changing system positioned on a turntable means different spindles can be used for both grinding and turning. The system is equipped with turning and finishing tools. This means that the operator is not required to intervene on different profiles and shapes. The probing system measures the workpiece on the Z-axis and evaluates the internal and external diameters. In this way, any tapering is evaluated before the piece is processed and corrected in real time during the cycle. Tolerances due to mounting the measuring probe are managed and eliminated by a setup probe. The movement of the three working axes follows linear guides for heavy loads, guaranteeing extreme precision even at high speeds. The ball screw feed axis is designed according to the loads to be moved to ensure efficiency and high performance in the most delicate processes. All Lodi grinding machine systems are 4.0 ready and can be made to interface with the client's software to exchange data digitally. The electromechanical components are UL certified. The electro-welded iron sheets have different thicknesses to ensure the utmost stability. Lodi grinding machines stands for reliability and precision. LGM is the partner for grinding systems.